Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Skill Builder. In this session, we are going to learn SafeAreaView. This is another uh, component of the React, basic component of the React Native. So, what is the use of this SafeAreaView? We have seen like in modern smartphones, we have the notches like on the iPhone, rounded corners, status bar, and the navigations bar. This can cover your app's content if you're not careful. So, if suppose you will use this safe area view, that will ensure your UI stays visible and accessible by automatically adding padding around the edges. So, what is the exact use of safe area view? It prevents the content from being hidden, ensure consistent layout across the devices with the different screen shapes, avoid manual padding. So if suppose you will use shape area view, then you don't have to add any manual padding. It will calculate for top and bottom margins. So let's see by using the example how it will work. Safe areas view demo. Yes. Import React from React and then import safe area view from the React Native, and maybe you can take text from the React Native. Const safe area view demo. Okay, return safe area view. Inside that we can take one text component saying that welcome to Tech Skill Builder. Give some style here. Style. So we'll create, in earlier session we have learned how to create apps, create styles. So style sheet from React Native dot create, and then here inside that you can have main container. Okay, and this we can specify flex 1, flex direction. You can give the column, and then background color we can have orange, and just apply. We have seen how to apply the custom style. Style is equal to your app style dot that object. So this object we can create another object for text label. So label style. So here we will specify like font size 18, font weight 600, and then font color, color should be white. Okay, and then export default safe area view demo. Okay, let's wrap this into index.js and then import here from src slash safe area view demo and just take this here. Okay, Let's try to run. Okay, so we'll run on both the platform Android and iOS. So to run on Android, we have React, npx React Native run Android. Just click on this. We also run on iOS. So for that, just replace Android to iOS. npx React Native run iOS. Okay. I hope you understood the use of this safe area view. In case of iOS, so it's avoiding your status bar or navigation bar, and then it's displaying the text. But in case of Android, it's not working out. So especially this safe area view, maximum it will work on the iOS platform. Okay, suppose you are not using this safe area view, and instead of that you will use view, then see how it will work on iOS. What is the issue? Okay, you should import from React Native view. Just remove this. So in iOS now, it started with the view status bar and the navigation bar. So to avoid that, we should use the safe area view, and maximum it support in iOS. So what to do? There are alternative ways to support on the both the platform. You can go for React Native Safe Area context library, or you can write a platform specific code. So here we will see platform specific code. For that we need to import platform. Okay, so here what platform will do here, as it's not working out for the Android, so we'll say padding top. So platform dot os is equal to Android, then how much, we will say it's 55 pixel, or if it is iOS then 40 pixel. Let's see how it will work. Okay, so we can make it 50 and we can make this as 60. Okay, so now see both look like same. Okay, make it 50. How it will do work? 50. Okay, so this is another alternative way by comparing the OS and just give the padding manually, or else you can go for the surface view, but surface view mainly work for the iOS platform. And we have seen, like, if suppose you want to work on the cross platform solution, you want a cross platform solution, then you need to use safe area view, not from the React Native but from the React Native safe area context library. So let's try to install that package, React Native. So what is the command? How to install the packages? Npm install save React Native safe area contexts. Okay, and then again we'll need to install the pod. Go to the iOS and then pod install. I will tell you about the pod and what is a pod file for iOS and how to install the pod files. Okay, now pod file install. So how to use this React Native safe area context? So for that we need to import, instead of importing this safe area view from the React Native, we'll import from import safe your, we need safe area provider, yeah, and then safe area view, safe area view. So here what we need to do is just comment out and just we need to wrap this safe area view in safe area provider. Okay, so wrap this into, sorry, safe area provider. Now see the output. Let's try to run again. Npx React Native run iOS. So our iOS app running, installing on the iOS simulator. So now in our code we have not added any manual padding by using any platform specific code, platform.os. Even we have not used the safe area view from React Native. So we have used, what happened, provider not in the history. Okay, so let's check what is the issue. Let's try to run again. Run iOS. Okay, so what we have seen, like safe area view, the React Native safe area view is work maximum for the iOS platform, not for the Android. So for to work on the both the platform, what we did, we installed the package React Native safe area context, and we have taken safe area provider. Inside safe area provider we wrap safe area view, and then we have seen the changes on the both the platform. So it's giving some padding, proper padding uh, for status bar or navigation bar, and it displaying on the both the platform. So let's try to change some color, background color, orange. Okay, spelling mistake, orange. Okay, so both the platform works. So let's do this for, okay, label we have not given anything. So style, app style dot label style. Okay, and then how it looks on iOS. Okay, so align self as a center. Okay, and what is he saying? This is align justify content. center. So it will display the child views or component in a center. Okay, so welcome to Scale Builder. So this is how we have seen the use of uh, safe area view from our React Native, but we have seen like it will work properly on the iOS platform, not in the Android. So to work on the both the platform, we have installed the library package npm React Native Safe Area context. From that we have imported Safe Area Provider and the Safe Area View, and then we wrap Safe Area View content into Safe Area Provider, and it works on the both the platform. So I hope you understood the difference between Safe Area View from React Native and the Safe Area View from React Native Safe Area context, and when to use this Safe Area React Native Safe Area context whenever, because without Safe Area View, your status bar, your content will start from the your status bar and on, it will not look good. So instead of giving manual padding or something by checking the platform, you can go for the Safe Area View from React Native Safe Area context, so that it will work on the both the platform. I hope you understood this video. If suppose you like this, just share this video to your friends so that they will also learn interesting videos, upcoming interesting videos, and they will be pro in the React Native. So subscribe this channel if suppose you are not new to this, and like this video. Thank you very much.